Are you looking for an innovative way to invest?
Do you want to invest in quality investment baskets?
Alphaniti offers an easy, trusted, and smart way to invest confidently. Why Alphaniti? Research backed high quality investment portfolios. We do all the work for you. Select, invest, and monitor the portfolios in your basket. Access to future products offerings during the account validity period at no additional cost. Flat nominal advisory fee irrespective of the amount you invest. No hidden charges. Our baskets are made of stocks that are liquid and determined to have low risk. Your investment is safe and secure with Alphaniti. Periodically rebalancing to add or remove shares from your portfolio. Direct transaction in your RMoney account. Get a short-term to long-term single stock recommendation engine worth Rs 249 free. Get personalized advice to help you invest with peace of mind. Invest now. Thank you.